Kitchen Counter Talks, where every kitchen counter tells a story. What's on yours? I'm going to share with you today mine. We have a mess. We have, oh, something sweet going on though, literally. We are boiling sap today. This is a semi-finished product coming into the house where I am going to bring it up to a super boil, get it to a float test using this cool thing and that cool thing, and it floats, and then I know it's ready to get bottled up. And here is some of our product that we have going on right here. We've got plenty more to go there. And then, oh, because I'm busy doing that and kind of a slave to that, I just took out some stuffed peppers that I had in the freezer. So those are thawing, so we can have those for dinner. The pile of dishes, you know that's gotta be some coffee, that's it. 2 lonely eggshells that I'm saving for the garden, and I keep piling them up there. Got the lids ready. And here are some empty jars getting ready for the next batch. And then I'm also found my kombucha in the, it's my first run. It took, I found it in the closet, and it took about a month to finally get there. It is vinegary as heck, but I have my SCOBY down there, my symbiotic culture of bacteria and something else. I forget what the other letter is for. But anyways, environment of some sorts. Anyways, making some kombucha, first time ever. I scooped out the that SCOBY thing from this one here, put it in here, gonna make my next batch. I added some honey in here, 1 to 3 days with a tight lid on. It'll give me that bubbly, fermented type of kombucha I can start drinking. If it's not too fermented, vinegary. But I'll use it for something, and then I'll see, you know, not let, this batch won't have to go as long. But hey, first time, you gotta try something new. Learning curve there. Of course, I got some sourdough sitting in the back. So, what's on your counter today, people?